Enterprise RP about AO in the dark. We're here to shed some light on the subject. C.I.A.G presents the Quantum A.U.R.A. From our Nexus, our control center, we're going into the registry, which is our library of directives. We have a number of different departments all siloed out. Today we're going to run the RPA challenge baseline. And we're just going to run it here on this system for demonstration purposes. As you can see, we've got 10 items in our queue. We're running the RPA challenge website. And this is a years old website. You download the Excel file, which has 10 rows of 7 fields. And the fields on the website move around. And so you have to match what you're doing from Excel onto the website. We were successful at just under 12 seconds, which is not bad, especially going through a UI. But here's where the Aura really shines. We reset everything, and now we're going to run 4 threads. We have 40 different items in our queue because we're going to run the RPA challenge 4 times, all at the same time, using one Aura and one system. No RPA platform out there can do this. Can you imagine having your work done 4 times as fast as what an RPA bot is doing now with 1/4 of the resources? We have logging, we have everything that shows complete, and we're doing it at just a fraction of the cost. This is C.I.A.G Quantum.